up the phone and call us if you're looking to buy, sell or invest in property and would like to make an informed decision. You can also reach out at all the contact details flashing on your screen. All right, we're going to move to a very interesting market, Manesar, an industrial township in Haryana's Gurgaon district, which is often counted amongst country's top prospective investment destinations. It's also one of the 7 manufacturing cities, part of the mega Delhi-Mumbai industrial corridor. But a ground check of Manesar reveals serious infrastructure gaps. So how wise is it then to invest in this micro market? Vasudha Sharma finds out.
From a sleepy village on the NH8 in the 90s, Manesar today is a bustling industrial town in the millennium city of Gurgaon. Home to India's largest car maker Maruti, the industrial model township in Manesar is popularly labelled as Haryana's industrial backbone. However, IMT Manesar's very first entrepreneurs debunked this label. They revealed that local industries here are shutting shop because the government's big infrastructure promises for IMT Manesar are yet to be delivered.
Manesar is an infrastructural failure simply because the powers that be, the administration, have not given due notice to what they were supposed to. They got so busy becoming speculators and property dealers themselves that they forgot what they actually were there to do. Sometimes we don't have electricity for 22 hours out of 24 hours in the day.
IMT Manesar was envisioned as a world-class industrial hub, but images like these are today a real picture of Manesar's ground reality. Power cuts, overflowing sewage and zero social infrastructure have turned this dream township into an infrastructure mess. Even as small-scale industries struggle to survive, there's no stopping the real estate boom here in Manesar. Sectors 81 to 98 that adjoin IMT and form part of the Gurgaon-Manesar urban complex have a number of residential projects, all in the under-construction phase. So with no actual end users here, no sector roads or social infrastructure, then what's fueling the market here? Developers say it's the affordable rates and the spillover demand from Gurgaon that's put Manesar in the spotlight.
Those who cannot afford to buy an apartment in the main city area of Gurgaon, because there the prices have crossed 10,000 per square feet already. While in these areas the prices are still ranging between 4,000 to 10,000.
But accessibility to the residential sectors in the Gurgaon-Manesar urban complex could weigh on the market. The Kundli-Manesar Palwal Expressway has been in limbo for years, and connectivity to the Dwarka Expressway is also stuck in litigation. Since 2009, IMT Manesar's residential sector M1A and sectors 80, 81, 91, 92 and 95 of New Gurgaon that are driven by IMT have recorded an annual growth rate of almost 20%. However, market experts believe that Manesar is a market whose time is yet to come.
In the next 5 to 7 years, Manesar would need about 4 to 5 lakh houses. And as of today, I don't even see about 1 lakh houses coming up in next 4 to 5 years. So I can really see that demand-supply gap which will be there for a while, which will of course make it very interesting for investors.
They are making roads, they are doing water supply lines, they are doing other basic infrastructure, but it's still there will be a lot of flaws because getting them to connected to the mainline systems will take some time.
So Manesar clearly is not a market for short-term gains. Your horizon for investment has to be long-term. Because even as developers dub it the new Gurgaon, the state of infrastructure in Manesar mirrors much of what old Gurgaon is infamous for. In Manesar, Vasudha Sharma for NDTV.